Before you enter the lab, you need to make sure you have the proper attire.
Proper lab attire consists of closed-toed shoes, pants that are not made of nylon like leggings, long hair pulled back.
Make sure you have your goggles on at all times and no loose hanging jewelry. And make sure your shirts have sleeves, whether they're long or short.
A meniscus is observed because of the adhesive properties of a liquid. Liquid molecules are attracted to the molecules in the wall of the glass beaker or tube.
When reading the meniscus, read from the center and at the bottom of the curve. This example reads 7.61 milliliters. Always make sure to record measurements to 1 degree of uncertainty.
The dilution equation is C1V1 equals C2V2, where C equals concentration and V equals volume. In this particular lab, C1 is equal to your stock solution, which has a 2.0 molarity. Your V1 is your V initial, your C2 is your diluted concentration, and your V2 is your final volume, which your final volume in this lab will be 25 milliliters since we are using a 25 milliliter volumetric flask. A stock solution is a concentrated solution that will later be diluted in the lab for other use.
A dilute solution is a lower concentration of the stock solution acquired by adding distilled water. Here we are pipetting our stock solution, recording its volume and transferring it into a 25 milliliter volumetric flask.
That's about 9.93. Make sure to record your initial volume. To dilute the solution, we then add distilled water to the volumetric flask until the meniscus reaches the 25 milliliter mark. .71. Now dilute.
You can see the meniscus reads 5.21 milliliters.
.96.
Now dilute.
To calculate for C2, or the distilled concentration, you can rearrange the equation to be C2 equals C1V1 over V2. And now you can plug in the known values, which C2 equals 2.0 molarity times V initial over 25 milliliters. After performing the calculations, we make sure to put all the final concentrations into our lab notebook.